Hi all, welcome to a new video. And in this one, we're talking about the range of motorcycle battery chargers that you can use on any motorcycle, UTV or ATV out there today. And to make it easy, we've split them up into three different groups. The easy group is for those riders who just need a trusted battery charger, fully automatic, and well, you might not know what battery is in your motorcycle, could be lead acid, could be lithium, but it does not matter. The Duo chargers are made to charge both. Now, the Optimate One Duo is for the riders who have a basic motorcycle, standard electronics, perfect charger. Now, if you have a more modern bike with a lot of electronic support, the Optimate 2 Duo is the charger for you. No access to mains AC power where you park your motorcycle? No problem, because we have two Optimate off-grid solutions with Duo charge technology. We have the Optimate Solar 10 and 20 watt with a Duo technology charger, and we have the Optimate DC to DC charger, also suited for both lead acid and lithium 12-volt batteries. The More group is for the riders who need a little bit of extra insurance when they sometimes forget to charge. Why? Well, we've added saving power to these chargers. The More chargers can save batteries from down as low as 0.5 volts. Now, pay attention. This saving power is specifically designed for one type of battery. So an Optimate 3 can save lead acid batteries from down as low as 0.5 volts, and your Optimate Lithium 0.8 amp or 6 amp can save lithium batteries from down as low as 0.5 volts. Our More chargers can work in two ways. They can charge and maintain, and you can keep the battery inside of your system. But if you want to activate those saving powers, best is to disconnect the battery from your system and then to connect the charger onto your battery. That way, it will release all the energy from the charger in trying to save your battery the best way possible. The best chargers combine all of our features of our More chargers into one specific charger. What that means is that you can charge any 12-volt battery and you can connect to that battery any way you want. Now, these best chargers are for those riders who just want to solve all of their 12-volt battery problems with one charger. It can connect to any type of battery, and we can use any connection that you have on your motorcycle. Now, you might be the rider who has several motorcycles in the garage, or you might want to connect via your CAN bus on your BMW motorcycle or via your 12-volt DIN socket on your Triumph. Our best motorcycle charger can do exactly that. Now, one final tip for all of you BMW and Triumph riders. If you buy the Optimate 4 Quad Premium Edition, the adapter cable is included in the box, so you can just connect to your 12-volt DIN socket on the bike. There you have it, the easy, more, and best group of our Optimate motorcycle battery chargers. And with that range of chargers, I'm 100% sure that we have the perfect charger for your bike. Or, if you're lucky, for your bikes. If you want more top tips on how to maintain your battery, subscribe to our channel.